In many academic courses, students are required to include supporting materials in their essays, supporting materials that come from scholarly sources. This includes usually materials written by professionals in the field, sometimes peer reviewed, meaning that other professionals in the field read through the documents and verify that the logic is sound, that the science is proper, that sort of thing. And there are some tools to help you determine what is and is not a scholarly source. So this brief video is going to show you how to do that. First of all, you'll see I'm logged into my CFCC account, and I'm going to click on the CFCC links, and I'm going to go to the LRC library link. I'm going to have to scroll down here, and I want to click on articles and e-resources. And there are several places that I can look. First of all, don't be limited. I'm going to use this one as an example that all of these different databases could be useful to you depending on what you're writing about and the approach you're taking. ProQuest Central is a good place to start. And so I'm going to start with, let's see, this T.S. Eliot and Prufrock, for the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock. Okay, so it's asking me here for my username and password. And you will be asked if you access this site from off campus. I'm at home doing this right now. If you're on campus, you'll immediately go to. Notice here I used the joined word and so that way it's looking for articles that include the words T.S. Eliot and the words Prufrock, not necessarily in that order. Now you'll see here I've got 378 results. These icons show you that these are different kinds of sources. Look, the little mortarboard, the graduation cap icon, that means it's a scholarly journal. This one means that it's a newspaper. Newspaper is not appropriate when you're asked to find scholarly sources. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to click on scholarly journals, and I'm going to search it again. And I've gone from 378 sources to 31. Much easier to wade through those, right? A couple of other things. Whenever you find such sources, if you're given the choice of full text, this will be HTML version, just like a web page, or if it's give full text in PDF, always get the PDF if you can because it gives you page numbers and it's much easier to cite the source. Notice that as you select these sources, if I don't have time to read these right now, I can click on the ones that I think might be useful and I can email them to myself. I can print them. I can also click on source and get the citation for it. You'll have to tell it to use MLA style in this case. And you need to double check it. Often it's in the wrong font, and there may be other errors. So make sure that you double check it. You are responsible for proper citations. The computer system did it like that will not be an excuse for not doing that properly. Okay, so this was ProQuest. There are many other databases that we can search. I have to get back a couple of times. Well, I don't need to get back again, I guess. So here, the Literature Resource Center is a good one. And just look around. There are plenty of different databases, and it depends. So if you're looking for a source from a particular academic approach, like sociology, for example, then you might come down and look for the word sociology. That will link to those kinds